You got bite?
No, not yet.
Big man, I buy for something.
So guys, we are about to make some seafood boil. So these are some beautiful fresh lobster from ocean. So we have 3 of them. I just don't want to get bitten by a lobster. They're still alive. Come on to this thing, Justin. So this is how I kill the lobster because I don't want to get bitten by a lobster. I just run some hot water. Or I can also put them alive in the pot to boil. Put them alive in the pot to boil? Kill them?
That sounds cool.
Okay, so they like to see the lobster magic here. So last things I will use is the good bees. Let's see how to get this out.
Para mutia ko atay mata. Ini muti ba? Jadi ni. So that just English fruit. Direct. Jadi ana put them down in a bowl. And every day is because want to boil them. Upon the fruit and they know what.
So guys, what I'm gonna do is just stick them out from there, and I'm also going to remove this. So probably we might curry sometime, right?
Is that tentacle?
No, that's the lobster feet. The tentacles is at the top.
Yes, you have to.
I haven't eaten these before, but Stacey does. Or my sister does. So I'm just gonna cut the tail open. I don't come on board from here. Let me just, so you can see the lobster. Look at the movement. See? It didn't fully die yet, what?
Sorry, I know. I got
Oh,
that.
that's one, hold on.
I don't have to eat.
As I now said, I will curry these at a later date.
You say that's not it.
I don't eat the head. I haven't eaten the head before. So,
See video, show me the head.
so we have to wait on one of these. So we'll push that up here and pull out the we have to make sure the lobster dies properly. Not fully dead yet, what? Oh. Look at this nice cocoon of lobster.
Oi.
Look.
Where's that? Are you meat?
I was supposed to not say it when it's a little one.
The head.
No, that's the tail. I need to get one of this out.
Yeah, I see video, show me the head and the Enough meat, enough.
Okay, so you take this. Well, it's not as hard because it was a fresh live lobster. And push it up the butt. Look at the juice. It's so good. Okay. You could also do it from here. See, okay. So this one already came out. It's still alive. The steel is fluffy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this up, and that's the only way I can be sure the lobster is fully dead. So guys, like octopus. When you're cooking the octopus, you put the octopus in the pot. When you're eating it, it's still alive. It doesn't die instantly. You guys know that, right? Okay, guys, so I don't have anybody to like sharpen the knife for me. So I'm just going to try to see how best I can cut this.